Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh, nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Y'all are doing peel-off face masks? Sorry, honey. I do liquid latex. Oh yes, baby. We're doing it. Bet you never saw a mask like this bad boy. Skincare? More like skin scare. Let's take her off. Lovely. Wow, my skin just loves me. Yeah. I did a tutorial for this beautiful look, and it will be in the link in my profile. Please don't actually use liquid latex as a face mask. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hello there. You already know what time it is, and it's time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves, like... My sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are, like... I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow was on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower and you guys have an amazing day. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh God, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece, so have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that, it belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Hey there, you little freaks. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Yeah. I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow, because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me, and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. This feels so good. Also, this is kind of random, but I dyed my eyebrows. So, like, I can wake up and just go on about my day with my eyebrows being done. Like, what? But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day today. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off, and that is it. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. It's really all about the eye on my hand. With my left hand was way more difficult than I expected. Wow. Now this one. Putting on contacts without moving my hands was probably one of the most difficult things I've done so far. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is Libra. I think I messed up my wig trying to make a bun. Oh well, I'll just brush it out later. Gemstone eyebrows. Ooh. Nice. They never come off in one piece like that, see? Well, good to know my eyebrows are still there. I literally couldn't even see these ones. Good thing I took my contacts off. Should have done it earlier though. I'm not even gonna try to wash this off. I'm just gonna go and shower. My eyes are slightly stained, but other than that, I am clean. Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth or talk or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come off in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. Let's start with the neck. I don't know why, but taking latex off of my neck always hurts more than my face. There we go. It wasn't too bad. Now the face. It's dangerously close to my hair, but it's not in my hair. I don't know how that happened. Nice. There's a little piece by my eyebrow. Yeah. Can't forget the lashes. The glitter that is on me will never leave me for the rest of my life, but I will attempt to take it off in a shower. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course, it is time to take this off again. This is Capricorn from the Zodiac signs gone bad. Capricorn, yes. I was improvising the whole time, but honestly, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. First, I'm gonna go wash my hand because I can't touch anything with it. Now I got these horns on Amazon and I honestly love them. My hair's so messy. Back to the good stuff. Liquid latex literally, makes everything better. There's so many better ways to remove this, but I'm just so lazy. I just rip everything off. Oh. Nice. No more lashes. No, I just look crazy. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And that's it. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This was SCP-106, also known as the Old Man. I used the gelatin life hack for this, and this is the weirdest thing I've had on my body, and I've had a lot of weird things. It's not coming out right. You know what I mean. I genuinely have no idea how to take this off. This is taking forever. Taking my contacts out? I've been wanting to yank this thing pretty much ever since I put it on. Let's do it. This stuff comes off so weirdly. Like, it's solid in some places. And then in the others, it's literal just gelatin. Anyways, let's do the smile. Oh, it's not too bad. I take that back. Can't stop there, though. I forgot about that part. Okay, we're almost there. I'll clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. Snatch that weave, baby. Ow, my earring fell off. I'm gonna go take my contacts off because I can't see. I can see now. Although this makeup is painted on except for the horn, so let's do that. So easy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I almost forgot the teeth. That's nice. Nice. Let's take my eyelashes off too. Wow. I swear to God, I don't look the same with no eyelashes on. Who is this? I'm just playing. I know I still look good. I'm gonna go wash all this off. I'll be right back. Ah, much better. If you didn't know, this makeup is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. Yeah. The full tutorial will be in the link in my profile in case you guys want to know what products I used. Have a great day, y'all. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 deadly sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Ah, much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is?
It is time
To take it off again.
Yeah. This was a lot of fun to do.
Yeah.
It was so much fun.
My teeth are black.
Lucky. Mine are yellow. This is what you get for drinking 5 cups of coffee a day. Would you like me to demonstrate the latex?
Yes.
Okay. You just find a side and you go for it.
Does that hurt?
No.
Oh,
Is that in your hair?
yeah, it is. Ouch. No,
How does that feel?
doesn't hurt at all.
Would you like to take the other side off together?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Beauty at its finest.
Tears.
Face clean.
Tongue stained.